Naka-jacket pa rin ako kasi sobrang lamig by the shore. It's currently 6:15 p.m. Nandito kami sa Sunken Meadow to get some sunlight, to jog. Tapos later kakain ng burger. Kami sa Bangers Outlet sa favorite store namin. Run! Blue. Love it. Very lightweight lang. So cute. Do you have any questions or you need help with anything? Yep. Sobrang cute din ito. Ice cream bar, oh. Buhay na yung ice cream bar ngayon. Kaya dito kami pupunta. Sa All American Burger. See, sobrang daming pila every time. Laki ng box nito, pero what's inside is
Shit, for real?